For the CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to show you how to use Circup to install fonts on your microcontroller board. So I'll share a link and we'll put a post out that gives you Todd's gist on this, but the key thing here is that you're using Circup, which, if you're not familiar with it, it's a way to install libraries typically on your CircuitPython boards from the command line. Helps you to not have to go search for libraries or download the bundle manually and drag stuff on. So one of the things that it can do is it can download bundles, which are usually bundles of libraries. However, you can do this command right here, Circup bundle add Adafruit CircuitPython fonts. So if I copy that here and just go to any command line and paste that in, so it's gone and downloaded this fonts bundle and now it's extracting it. So once those are extracted, you can then go and type in Circup install and then the name of a font, and included in the font name is the font size because these are fixed size fonts. Circup install font Sniglet web font 48. In code, once I've done this Circup install and then the name of a font, those live on the CircuitPython board in a fonts directory. Now what I can do is pick those just by doing a install at the beginning of my code. So from font Sniglet web font 48, import font as, there we go. And then I'll include that in my list. And now I'll resave. Okay, ooh, it was a good choice, because check that out. So now we have, let me move this out of the way a little bit. Okay, still love Orbitron, but I also love Sniglet very much. Look how squishy it is. That is how you can use Circup to install fonts on your microcontroller inside of CircuitPython. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.